Today is the second and last day of the teaching, so I would like to wish all of you who have come good morning.
다양한데 도심디 티디 디즈만든시 디 차스마레 티 디즈만든 차쟁이 주면은 예데 도심 티 디즈만든시 엔드네 가장 최 미림도 수야이
I need to read the text of the Torch of True Meaning, otherwise we will not finish the instructions on Vajrasattva. So I will now read the text and then we will continue the discussion of the visualization from yesterday.
다들이야 나 가서 쉬는 시에 다 텔레비전 쳐 텔레비전 쇼주 뒤숨이 야와 세드 잡지는 팀be 구조구도 영어로 쇼발에 디딥정에 소한답 도경앙or 사변의 이식이 유지 법 꾸리 담제 강 마숑 류베스기 샤베베 대원은 까탈랄라 법 장게 지원의 쇼 새롭 통마메반의 사비 탐징 염자소 디딥 담제 두고당 술구 내 담제 나자 추슬 뇌연 담제 신부진 진기 남바 뇌제 샤라다 제바 춘에 바마치와시 왕부고네 법유부간 대제 왕지 서비스실 팀
Continuing from about a third of the way down, page 48. Light radiates out from the home, inviting the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas of the 10 directions and 3 times to dissolve into the hum and mantra. Think that Vajrasattva becomes the combined essence of all the jewels. Supplicate him to purify your misdeeds and obscurations. Think that this causes wisdom nectar to flow from the seed syllable and mantra garland at his heart. It fills his entire body and, as if overflowing, descends in a white stream from the big toe of his right foot and enters you through the crown of your head. Like a river carrying away detritus, it flushes out through your orifices and pores all the misdeeds and obscurations you have accumulated from beginningless lifetimes. such as breakages and violations of Samaya, in the form of soot and sludge, all illnesses in the form of pus, blood, and lymph, and all duns in the form of parasite and filth, along with your physical flesh and blood. These dissolve into the powerful golden earth.
yarlüba dosim yişaları versam teder migo şindu sevaya sendap şendu yimbar günane gebran degen demji şesumbe gecige mayı var çene yigya yidu teje zemba zemba zangda sisinda tar temojaden gombo daneso süendibde şeksi ceb lama doji sama tugi şen zumba dije rigi bu kögi dirib nidong tamde tü dirin 다바 이노시에 숭구 우용자네 외도슈데 라나팀 도지sembe 구송도다 랑을 룽아 예수 예매도 교가 삼라 미미 버샤.
Your body is filled with pure wisdom nectar, and the excess overflows and touches Vajrasattva's foot. Visualize this extremely clearly again and again. As it is said, if you are distracted by something else, reciting for eons will bear no fruit. Thus, without even a moment's distraction, recite the 100-syllable and 6-syllable mantras at a moderate pace, clearly, correctly, and sonorously. At the end, join your palms and recite the words of the supplication and confession, protector out of ignorant delusion. Guru Vajrasattva is pleased and reassures you, saying, "Child of noble family, all of your misdeeds, obscurations, wrongs, and transgressions are purified from today onwards." He then melts into light and dissolves into you. Think that Vajrasattva's body, speech, and mind become inseparable from your own body, speech, and mind, and rest without reference point.
튠조나 개왕오 디버타베 다 슌두세 케브르기다 류양 니충 감데 리버세 냠도 탈돌 기와서 저거서.
If it is the end of the session, dedicate the merit. The signs of having purified misdeeds are explained in the texts. Some particular ones include your body becoming light and needing little sleep, experiencing good health and a clear mind, having some minor experiences and realization, and so forth.
다 디제리아만 정거를 붙이기 지다 가서 도심 이 디버샤원디 지 고된르지 마송고 알아.
Following this, Jamgon Kongtrul discusses the general subject of confessing the misdeeds and the Vajrasattva practice.
디 고된에 지르디바 방구 개와 주부 디 방랑 시시시네 시야나 돈바는 조베상기 녀지 대송의 이전에 라는 제바디 콩베나 튜닝 예바이 레기디 강인 인롱 유이튜나 총양 지비튜나 페지 디변 지비 예선의 개변 지비 된로소소죠 랑게 제베레 취미사 마제베레다 미체 대양 되샤시라 띠무숨이 군내람베 레 룽아도 무슨 통하는 이게 템반네 이게래 무슨 넘규 무슨 마템반이 이게래 무슨 넘규 템반은 룽아가 레 탐제 용어도 인적에 지게도 지게 나부로 줘야지 이니 독이 자와인 셰송 디벨레텔라 참행아 대단녀왕아 미게워주 지실로게도 잡아서다 돈바송단 게외 니동 돈바송단 게외 니동 랑게 기버다 셴라 제주보다 제발을 예수이랑 때버져봐서 너나 라를 남기 미시 미소로와 개와 통면에 사베 디동 주 잠을 쿠르드 코르에 띵 다달 융아 이숨디 삼주 줄세 페질 도순 코네 왕게 딕집 카네도 사바이 깡레도 디 예베 쳔디야 하미군기 차심무 주샤망보당 허송의 예르시 둥기기 라다 교응에베 제도추 레셀레 디베 팁기 법을 자마시 자미시 밀럼양 엠바 나서 미 라야 로미디 치옌 엠바다 친내 작본 중 치웨스 내주 직자 동에다 파도야 취습시 치웨와도야 디글레 친진 충송다 튀비 녜송송기 동에 퇴차了 유리원유 용 남식 토리수 깨나야 세통와 내마와 니메도 자교다와 유라 로니에다 내죽소 중
As for the meaning of the practice, we must give up wrongdoing and accomplish virtue. Only the perfect Buddha knew correctly what to abandon and what to adopt and advised others about it. Believing his words and putting them into practice is internalizing their essential meaning. Whether an action is virtuous or a misdeed, even if it is small at the time of its cause, its effect increases greatly at the time of the result. The results of misdeeds manifest as the lower realms, and the results of virtues as the higher realms. The actions you have done will not go to waste, and you will not experience karma you have not committed. Actions that are motivated by desire, aversion, or ignorance, but not actually physically or verbally expressed, are mental actions. Those actually expressed are actions of body and speech. The mind must precede all actions, so it is said, because it makes the world go dark, the mind is the root of poison. Misdeeds include the 5 heinous deeds, the 5 near heinous deeds, the 10 non-virtues, the 4 weighty actions, the 8 perversions, and so forth, along with downfalls that are violations of the 3 types of vows, whether you have done them yourself, encouraged others to do them, or rejoiced at and praised them. In brief, we carry the burden of a mountain of misdeeds and downfalls that we do not know about or feel, but have accumulated in beginningless lifetimes. On top of that, almost all our present intentions and actions of body, speech, and mind just heap on additional misdeeds and obscurations, due solely to the 3 poisons. Because of these wrongs, we are cursed and slandered by the gods and humans in this life. Things often go wrong or don't work out. Our guardian deities forsake us, and duns and obstructive spirits take advantage of this. We are thrust into the ranks of the wretched. Our misdeeds cast a shadow on everything, and we are connected to, bringing bad luck. We have various bad dreams and are unhappy. Fatal accidents and severe mortal illnesses occur. At the time of death, there is intense agony, fear, and suffering, and there is intense confusion in the bardo. And after death, we will experience for a long time the agonizing suffering of the 3 lower realms in accord with the severity of our wrongdoing. Even if at some point we are born in the high realms, we will have short lives and ill health. Though you are innocent, enemies and lawsuits will appear, and there will be crop failures, epidemics, and war in your country.
gyudhengi ribu digbala gashi dunghe gyumi shenpe mija kamer rana penye bashi na digba chagome tene ma indi yana janduyen yong yana norlong junyen da yana togyo sogi chiri tenam chizam zomya ran chiwe tse penpa dindu zoya me nyendra long ju puchung maso tajime 세 감지 그 류가 해와면 랑치부르 년송도 캠베스 디버 체적인 제부 동해의 신라 고샤 제사메 랑코네 용 장년도 규로하다 년 장년도 규로하다 년 저우르 규바야 측메 디버 제표반데 류기신 düengin 뇨 렌지 미시버침부 인도게 당아 니미 나지게 마제반디 마녀 마체 사와시기야 마중 다네 류소 남지 참메베 디버정 랑갑게 이유나 중세경 제랑 마중어 치쇼르제 나라이 년송 동에 진짜쇼나 셰소 랑가랑라 텐데 도미수 로마데와르 공거
As the causally compatible result, you will enjoy wickedness and your suffering will increase unceasingly. It is not so that you must do wrongs that are unavoidable and will definitely benefit you, whether for the sake of subduing enemies or protecting friends, for the sake of wealth, possessions, or reputation, or for the sake of food, clothing, and so forth. No matter how much you have, those will not benefit you even a sesame seed's worth at the time of death. Forget about reputation, possessions, children, spouses, and so forth. You will be powerless to take with you even a single morsel of food or a set of clothes. Alone you will wander to the lower realms. At that time there will be no one with whom you can share the suffering that results from your misdeeds. You alone will experience it. It is not hard for an enemy to change into a friend or a friend into an enemy. So daring to commit wrongs is to be caught by the Maras and crazed by jinns. It is great stupidity and ignorance. But up to now we have not recalled even a single drawback and had never said, I can't let myself do this, I shall not. Think to yourself, I could die at any time. Will I even have time to purify my misdeeds? If I die without purifying any of them, what suffering will occur to me in the lower realms, and so forth? Drive yourself to blame. You must drive yourself to shame. You must meditate until you cannot sit still and are disconsolate.
다 들어서 전다다면로 다 가장 미림 최수이
That is enough for now. We will continue with the visualization.
다 드네 가장디 외스르드 가르조에 외스르드르체 튜니 시주디 휴스마레 다 디젤리아 도지스베게 다 셰샤 용수조바 드네지 게아요
Yesterday, we discussed how the light radiates and performs the two benefits. Following this, there is the discussion of the complete visualization of Vajrasattva.
다 외스르 조네 쥐두단 두차와다 냠도 남산 디 뉴번도 되게 아니 도르지 홍데제바 도지세 홍이데제바디 아니 용수 규발레 라마다 니스메베 랑게 다지 자야 라마다 니스메베 발도지 셈바 이 꿀이야 저 종리 깨거로 이말
After the light radiates out and then comes back, it is reabsorbed into the Vajra and the Hum, and the Vajra and Hum are transformed into Vajrasattva, who is inseparable from your root guru.
예 가자 쉬번는 신기요 유디오만 대솔이야 왜도 쉬야데 메스 드네지 개가 가시 수고도 왜도 쉬에 왕도 담배는 도지 홍다 잡아 담고 왜도 왜스르기 공부를 버지리 교수상 왜도 왜스르기 공부를 교르네 아니 람드니 디니 라마 도지스메게 남발 교수상 버지 공고르바 이윤에 갑들이야 의슈 매병 왕도 담배이나 아니 도지 홍다 잡아데 테마타도 라마 도지스메게 남발로 봐 교원을 버지 여버치고 있어
I mentioned yesterday how in the lower classes of Tantra there is not the tradition of visualizing the implements melting into light. If you visualize the melting into light, then the Vajra in Hum would melt into a sphere of light, and that sphere of light would then become Vajrasattva. But here there is no such melting into light. Instead, the Vajra and the Hum immediately transform into Vajrasattva.
갑들이야 바지 딱지 게지기 라마도 졌으면 꿀게야 그렇지 베지 기지기 이 소소기 생활이야 라마도 졌으면 꾸이 나바 차사로 차트베 이미나 안 되게 고쳐 민지 가르소에 아주 여기 시리 나라래 아니지 가르라 당시 우리 베네딩 라마도 졌으면 얘네가 사실은 예배도 예배 주분지 이런 식으로 시리마 되는 뱅에 봤게요 만 이미네 레 당보 베게 롱올이야 아니 깨지기 이용을 차 상황지 조버 차트 보면 인상 디균센 때네 아니 림기지 센다고 봐 대한 계십니다.
And so here it can become Vajrasattva in an instant. And so if it is possible for Vajrasattva to instantly appear in his full form immediately, then that is best. And in that case, it is not necessary to meditate as it is described in the actual text in the Nundro, where it says, on a lotus and moon there appears Vajrasattva with one face and two hands and so forth. It is not, in that case, that serves, visualizing him instantaneously serves and is enough, and it is not necessary to recite the words. However, for beginners, it can be difficult to generate the entire visualization in a single instant. And so for them, then it is important to do it gradually.
나드네 데르 도지스마 대양 군도 깔보 시지 청이 예 도지 쟁아바다 유엔라드네 가르소에 예라 도지 쟁아바 유엔라지 우거기 티분지마 다드리세다.
And so we visualize Vajrasattva as being white in color with one face and two arms, holding a five-pronged Vajra in his right hand and a white silver bell in his left.
대양 군도 깔보 공개의 균센데 딕딕 정의 딘디라 되네 가르소 배는 아주 지기 바 짱마체 짱마르 체바다 타버르 체바 아 딘디기 딘디라 공하는 군도 까버체.
The reason for visualizing him as white is as the interdependent connection for purifying our misdeeds and obscurations. The meaning is that it symbolizes the cleanliness and the purity.
되네 탑도 시럽 쳔베체도 도제데 티보 남바.
To symbolize means and wisdom, he is holding the Vajra and bell.
다드네 샵 예경 유영공 스베 기lum을 쇼바.
His right leg is extended and his left is bent in the posture of a sattva.
디 스베 기lum대야 예경 용공대 샵 예경 용공윤두스 예경 용공시 쇼윤두스네 샵 예외게 태봉대 랑기 지주기 다데데 지주기다 부가들이야 샵예외 태봉대 지주기 부가르리고 드니지 공고유스래.
And so when we visualize him with his right leg extended and his left leg bent, then the big toe you should visualize that the big toe on his right foot touches you in the crown of your head, in the fontanelle.
Today, Shabby, energy duzim bebjansum, cool duzip have you understand? And a bit duzip of Dustan, the Mibachediaway.
If you visualize it in this way, then it will be easier to visualize the nectar flowing into your body.
Nam you does sembegi, Shatamang said, and does Kirung number you ever Mangushua. The Shab Yegan Yong number Chede, does somebody Shatan Jumun Yunur.
Most paintings and depictions of Vajrasattva show him sitting in the Vajra posture. There are very few that show him sitting with his right leg extended and his left bent.
샵 예장 용공 그 남아체 되지 티브레 데 이네디 단동 텔레 야즈르지 쳬투야르지 제제네 밀시다 데머니체 아니 베시아레
So we had one. We painted one, and I had the hope that maybe I would be able to paint a better one, and so I haven't shown it to anyone.
When I said Tari, Jumudri Chene, I was right. Taine, the Chumaso, that gave us him.
I thought it would be good to have that painting this year, but we don't have it, so it's not a problem.
Tadine Udarebe, Turzuzi, the Udagi Reva de Yabe, Jurjini, Turzus Yaji, the Langma de Energy, Gablolma, Chen, Gudu Guigi, Dakarjue. The Gablol changes and the good is kept ever Drigi gom, and Dana Jimuchi Genda, and the flight in Nasadan. That G. Carre. Tamang was doa, that is the Rish the sugar skimendo, and that Jimakushare, and the idea you have checked the Niji gom.
His hair is bound in a top knot. This means the locks of his hair are bound in a knot on the top of his head, and then the remaining hair flows down over his back. It covers his upper back. He is also wearing various jeweled ornaments and robes. There are many different details of the visualization, but it is not necessary to explain them all now.
Didn't Carjure does somebody the Gu Kane Demba, the Didrevy shed and char, Gusuk Numgur, the Jicheva, the does somebody Gu Kane Demba, should be enough.
And so, what is the Tantra that this form of Vajrasattva, with this sort of face and appearance, what is the Tantra that this comes from?
That is Nanjurgu, Shigu, Nanjurgu, Tinin Dubasadi, Nanjurgu Jare. Nanjurgu Jare, that Tinaler, Sunhares. Then that Denshaw, Sung Denshaw, Gedorgi, Shigu, Sambuda, Shigu Sambuda Nanolea, din Den or Sunshine. That the name Yagargi, that Trubjens and the Kevas and to Tak under the Jambet Haben Zebe, Binted and Jambet Haben Zebe. Some chi cho Nimbu Gens, Nimbu Gen. Or that tea nanole, and the Dossemba Carretaji, Shesha, Namgur, the day de Vitendo. Tana she dingu Trelia, Yaga Lama Shilas to the Sandy Chungmendo, and that Dige, and Dossemba Tutosto, TV, Sheshan, Namgur. We number that share that chart, the Somolo did a to the Mundrin company, 10 number, did the Chiquichiganus to Resha, the Rinusana, Daji, a young Samsaji, Gugi Kung Career, Kiranzu de Gom de Adelia, Gugi Kung Career, Gargi Kebegi, Shunkartea Yesana, that the energy which make the eyes something to Shema Dobe, Dorsem Manshade, Dosim, Ye. Yumda Jebe, number Mambushua, and the Industan, Dorsim de Ji Carjure, Yabjang number, and Deam Beji, Sembe Girunga, so that number Jengi, and Dosim Batir, Kunki Yosana, as the native you said something.
This form of Vajrasattva is taught in the compilation of Thusness, which is a yoga tantra, and it is also taught in the Sambhuta Tantra, that is an explanatory tantra about Chakrasamvara and Hevajra. Likewise, there is an Indian Mahasiddha, you could say, or perhaps a scholar named Jambaldakpa, and he wrote about this in his treatise, in his text called the Secret Ornament of the Essence. And so within that treatise, it describes this form of Vajrasattva with the same color, face, and number of arms, and so forth. Likewise, in the Tenjuru, there is another text written by an Indian guru whose name I have forgotten. There's a sadhana for Vajrasattva with the same form, the same number of faces and arms and so forth, as we meditate upon in the Ngundro, in the preliminary practices. And so for that reason, if someone were to challenge you and say, what is the source in the Indian texts? What is the source of this Vajrasattva that we meditate upon? I think we have something that we can show them. Otherwise, there are often many different forms of often we visualize Vajrasattva with a consort, and I think so I think it is important that we can show that there is a source in the Indian texts for this for the solitary male figure.
잠배 잡았어야지. 양을 빈듯 잠배 잡았어야지. 지당기 띵교로 쳐려야 저동기 남세 상악 다 저거다 라메르와 라메기 저동기 남세 망고지요. 저동기 넘버 7 저동기 제시 망고시지 온디야래. 네 이나 디나네 잠배 잡았디 내 개체지. 비 세만을 지내야지. 그래서 까만바 정중도지기 탐식 야수사지雄지와다 조디 상아 탐식기수 저 자동으로서 상아 라메기 자동도 탐식 야수 어디디 탐식 야수디 망체데 디나 송대야 남샤 망체데 법은 잠배 잡았디 리리니리 말어 리리니리지 마도베 망체데 법은 잠배 잡벤제베 자동도 남시에 되라 공주 완제바 리즈레 다는 신기 제르무치기 다 자동기 남시에 알아 되게디 디주나네 잠배 차워디 자스부즈만 유스레 되네 사자베 지중 고만 남에 난세 되네 잡아 연전이 자동을 트리버 봉하사지 슝 게라 첨부지 알아 다 디나나려야 아니데 딩규 틀려야 되베 저동거 남셔야돼서 다 도버를 제지 디주 지 가르레 디주 장아 주진 디주 제베 랍라요아르 데네 장아 주진 디주 제베 이메 티숨레 송아소 디주 송송요아레 다 이미네 마셔야기 다지 체마르 두스지디 아레 리레 슈아이
Now, this Indian scholar, Jambaldakpa, wrote a treatise on a presentation of the root downfalls. There are many different presentations on the root downfalls in the Tenjuru, and they primarily deal with the root downfalls in the Unexcelled Yoga Tantra. Among these different treatises, the one by Jambaldakpa is considered the most important and authoritative. The third Karmapa, Rangjung Dorje, wrote a treatise on the downfalls called The Ocean of Samaya, in which he discussed the root downfalls of the secret mantra of Vajrayana. And within this, most of his discussion comes directly from Jambaldakpa, except for maybe a few points here and there. Almost all of his discussion is based upon Jambaldakpa's. Likewise, Tsongkhapa wrote an explanation of the root downfalls that also is based upon Jampo Drokpa's explanation. There was a great Sakya master named Drokpa Gyaltsen who wrote a treatise called Eliminating Misconceptions about Root Downfalls, in which he raised the doubt that perhaps many of the root downfalls discussed in the Tenjir were not actually written by Indian Panditas, but most scholars consider Jampo Drokpa's treatise to be valid and authoritative.
다른 데들지 가르쳐요. 다들 내려오지마도 다 이제 신다게 쉬하면 소식도 와다 간다 듣는 전에 다 듣는 막 무티 지 공다 치료 쉬빈다 버지 정면도 something도 다 간다냐 언더리 지 도르섬 곰대 지아디 미세기 가지고 때 개심으로 지 내가 가장 공도 쉬는 시에 마음 처음으로 상하 냠레 체링 둘이 차디게 빈두산에 디윤전데네 지 상하 탐지사야데 에너지 에 분보도 지라 아니다 지 가수에 탐에베 뉴시게와 에너지 데버 딘지 슈베이나 분보도 지래 탐에베 뉴시게와 탐에베 딘진 루기아이비나 다 가르주에 탐지지 규모더고 가난 탐지 규모더고 근데 차 된데 두시 게마도 제 딘진도 쇼부이미나 다 대한베지 상하게 니동 찬동 그래서 송도 다데 가고 싶지 르바다 오늘지라 드린 비슷하네 디균zel 데네 상하게 니동도 좀 신라서 쉬고 알아서 드린 비슷하네 제신 니마 제신도 지금 소 니소수 니동 좋아하는 배고베다 계속 쉽지 않아요 알아서 조지 반에 어디 시작이 고란이야지 투담 자매도 남대야기 신기 전주 최대죠 신기 전주 최대인 지남이야 알아서 대남제 니마 다와르시 그래서 샤종는 거래 샤종나 동화다 샤다 민조번 제베인스 동화다 샤게 니동 가라요벤 다다다다 봐 튠즈에 능고도 봐 니동 담제 봐 장제 아니 아직 디링기 니동 사샤버데 선이 무드에 샤종 마제비치 냠도 타데버든데 잡는 거 말았어 드린두사 조제 반에 어디셔도 비든데 샤과 맞으다 버제버제 딱 까마르를 레베 저리 제고 한답지 도와 다이네 까마르를 레데 아주 갈아 가고 싶지로 와 드린두사네 딱 간다라 남규 라마 고만 넘버 쓰기 에너지 튠식이 냠네 능거 알아서 개체미 튠죽이 냠네 튠식이 냠네 능거 디디스 가라서나 저거 튠즈 그 능홍이야 진 년비 스며 관하다 니동 가라이네 봐 장셔 주사네 아니고 답되어 싶죠 로되어 싶죠 근데 주사네 디균전데네 다디 계속 있어
We will continue with the discussion of the visualization this afternoon. Now, as I said yesterday, this meditation and recitation, the Vajrasattva practice, is especially important for us. For all of us, we are practitioners of the secret mantra Vajrayana. And so it is important for us to keep the samayas, the secret mantra. As I said yesterday, if we have even a jug, a water jug or a pitcher, and we visualize that and we think of it as an ordinary thing, if we grasp it as being real and consider it to be an ordinary thing, then this is this is to not see it with pure perception. This is not seeing it as being illusory. And so this is a wrong or a fault in the secret mantra Vajrayana. But this is very difficult for us. And so in that way, it is very important for us to try our best to purify all the faults and downfalls of the secret mantra Vajrasamayana. It is important for us to do this every single day. For example, the Lord Atisha, when he came to Tibet, did not have many possessions, but he did have a stupa made of wood that he brought with him everywhere he went. And everywhere he went, he would perform a confession ritual in front of this and confess all of the wrongs and violations of Samaya that he had done. He would do this because it was considered very important to confess the violations within the time frame of the session that you are in. Because if you don't do them, if you don't confess them immediately, if you don't confess today's and they remain unconfessed until tomorrow, that is not acceptable. So if Atisha felt that he should do this himself every day, then we probably should be doing this every single minute. But it is difficult to do that. And so for that reason, the great masters of the past have talked about doing the practices of the 4 sessions, doing the confession practice in each of the 4 sessions. And the reason for this is that it is said that if we are able to apply the antidote for the misdeeds and doubts within the period of a session, then we will be able to purify them easily. And so for that reason, it is important for us to confess them and purify them each session.
다 드네 디 토래야 단동 가르쳐 가지고 지 단데 존데 마체장 가지고 다지 까만 감상기 가지고 지 주긴지 뭐 망보지 마체 차리어래 안드리 인두스탄에 에너지 바데 두스미 켜만 내 손데 양아르비도지 예체 발라 에너지 거유기 뭐지 템바디 가르쳐다지 다 탐식래 세레메 근데지기 가르쳐다 라로기 탐식래 세레메 근데지기 딱가다 유바 쯤매봐 아니지 세르기 팅워도 다들이 총벌해 다이네 데벨로 가시에 나로래야 땅아주지 니주만 오십시 나를 중용매버서나 바지 죽어왔다 나를 중용매버들에 니주 탑도고 아주지 까마감상기 주균들이야 간다라 다 바지 심었으나 다 총벌해 다디 용거야 돼 조조디 저 러루그 탐식 야보마소 지 소소에게 다지기다고 되는지 양아르비도지다 지기다고 슈데바 땡아주 마셈치 대바 가르다지 다 제바선한다 지르체 안디제 안다나시 템바들 로지기 되려야 아주 삼바 야게 못하지 안지 내금게지 이제 된다 중자로 가셔질이야지 계심으로 통제 드리지 통하는 아주리야 드리지 용과 호랑 양스 자와토야 돼야 그지 라로 탐지 안 체로 탐지 안 되들이 아버지 뭐 좋은데 그래 균선 된다 좋은데 근데 인주산에 안 다른 아주 도시 세면 검대 차디 땅 아주 약한 도시 세면 검대 쳐마다 디지 아주 네발에 통해 안 도시 세면 검대 쳐제 안데다 나 드리르산에 라버도 달러도 재미나 아니 갑지 샤마르무치 공부도 세브레 드리르산 딘제기 다 고랑 공기에다 구지나로래야 다 제반 남자들 지 가르쳐 담데 망고지 쇼무래 다 이면 디자 상황으로 지금 대변이 주줍지래 초진에 갈디 미지 고데 가르쳐다 지디지 도스지 삼담이네 나랑 팬도를 정도 아니 탐지 캠바 샤마를 군지 당보 아니 잡았은 게 송디 군지 마베진이야 때마든 저에 돼 라버치강 라버도 주유가마 감상 템발이야 되네 거진 쉐도 매버던 일을 또 차대야 드린 주사 디균전 되네 디주기 잡아도 남탈라 삼땅바이나 안다 되기 샤마름지 잡아 남들 중세 말릭번더 정아주 통바이네야 텔레야지 가르쳐 봐지 아주 뇌네 지 삼로 동면 투버를 개체가 많아서 샤마라 고고마디지 랍싱기 거진던 지진디 소리 삼땅바이네 데데다 지 파지 아주 저 삼땅 투버를 저 파지 인지게다 마소는 지 forgive understanding 채투버를 지 다 드리지 채투고 매비나 아주 지 최배 수수네 초스게요 만에 근데 인디사 디균셀 되네 드제기 양지 아주다 탐지를 냠차 탐지를 세망 수지 여배상 근데 그 상황으로 들이 참에 다바체송 삼바로 다바치야 민주 잡고체 들이지 동물 야천번 낭 망원벌이는 당연히 되지 말았어.
Almost all of us gathered here are in the Dharma tradition of the Karma Kamsa. And from the first Karmapa Dusum Khenpa until the 16th Karmapa Rangjung Rinpoche Dorje, in the teachings of the Kagyu lineage, there was never any tarnish or stain on the Samaya. There was never any blemish on the connection, the Samaya connection between masters and students. It was like a string of gold. But in the last few years, for whatever reason, there have been various situations that have occurred, various obstacles that have occurred in situations and tarnishes on the lineage of the Karma Kansa. And the reason for this is that the samaya between masters and disciples has not been pure. We have not remembered the master of the Lord of the Families, Rangjung Rinpoche Dorje. We have not recalled that he is present. We've forgotten that, and because of that, these situations have occurred. There have been some temporary situations that have happened. We've not been able to see past them. We think of them as being important, and then because of that, we've had the blemishes on the Samaya connection between the masters and the disciples, between the Dharma friends. And so, for that reason, it is important for us to do this Vajrasattva meditation as well as we can. To really see our faults as being faults and to confess them, and thus it is important to do this Vajrasattva practice. Particularly in this past year, when the all-knowing Shama Rinpoche has passed away. He did many different things in his lifetime, and we see them in many different ways. But in one aspect, I think, if we think about it in this way, it is beneficial. We think that from the first all-knowing Shama Rinpoche, Drapa Sengye, onward, there have been many incarnations of the Shama Rinpoches who've done amazing things for the benefits of Buddhism in general, and great things, and have been shown great kindness to the teachings of the Karma Kamsan lineage in perspective. And so, if we think about their example and their biographies and life stories, then there may be a few things about this Shama Rinpoche that we may think are not that we may think of as not okay, but we don't need to just think about this one. We need to look at the whole line of the Shamas and try to forgive and understand. If we are not able to be forgiving and understanding, then there's no point in us pretending to be Dharma practitioners. And so it is important for us we all have a lot of Samaya connections, and it is important for us to have the pure perception and try to purify ourselves as much as we can.
주기 때문에 제 나를 여공원남기 고들이여 만나신기 나들에게 지 탐지를 세례면 나들에게 유바 름부치 가서 나들이지 미념양반매봐 아 지식이 바로 네트워크 나들에게 참에 통면 나과도 계획을 다지 주기 때문에 유 때문에 사디 무기 무기다 기버부터 차대야래 드린주산에다 무기 때문에 하지 탐식 때문에 하지 차비입니다 다 되나 때문에 냠송하다 때문에 윤체 집어 차대요 드린주산에 대대진도 토리아 샤나데 계준부터 차대야래 대양 주제 누버군이기 라마랑 신제롱 록다마게나 지름주고인 라메 간데 잡나나요 저 라마 댄사에 슈글라야 잡아 남들 간지 나비냐 수수응에네 록다마게 비체 아니 소소로 고야한테 가르고 그러잖아 나 간다르지 가서에 풍회 정지내 받는 신기 풍회게 매도 네 지주 렌주상 코랑 고야데 렌거르면 코랑 먹어야 참아 킨조고 말아 어디 렌주상 아주 고야데 수수 렌카도체 로다마게 지들 제베는 실업 줄은 죽어래 최로 낭편수임이나 규랑게 쿠나 담시 민게와에 최로 낭편수 때때 녀를 중빈 당의 교인이 다등 알람 지마 송삼네 수수 랑교인디 콘은 된투버를 충분히입니다. 야 랑교 가시 랑교 매상서를 된도 랑교 요았다 가다 견지요. 디 콘은 된투버를 충분히입니다. 아니 담즈민 게와 인스트를 송아들이 인스타 디주산 참여에게 대대신도 도르샤고야 돼. 아 개점을 주해서 좀 정도.
And so it's important that in the future, the teachings of the practice lineage can be just as they were in the past, without any tarnish or any blemish. And so it is important for us to make the aspiration that the teachings of the practice lineage may remain without waning, without declining until the end of time. And so the Kagyu tradition, the Kagyu teachings are a lineage of devotion. And so if our devotion is not stable, if our samaya is not stable, then in actuality the teachings have weakened, the teachings have been lost. And so it is important for us to understand this. It is as the great master Drukpa Kunle said, no matter what the Lama does, if we do not have wrong views about it, then we have received the blessings. And so, no matter what the Guru may do, whatever behavior they may do, we should not have any wrong view about it. We need to remember what it is that we need. We need to be like bees taking nectar from a flower. When the bee visits a flower, the bee only takes the nectar that it needs. It does not take what it does not take. And so we need to be in the same way, and we just need to receive the blessings. especially when among Dharma friends we have problems that arise. If we accept the fault, blame, and say, oh, I admit it, this problem is mine. This is my fault. I am the one to blame. Then there is no fault to the samaya. For it's often the case that the fault is our own, and if we accept the blame upon ourselves, then there is no breaking the samaya. So I think that it is important for us to understand this.